Do you want to upload a tall, full-size image on Instagram without it getting cropped? If so, this step-by-step tutorial will show you the best way to post vertical or panoramic photos while maintaining their original quality. No more awkward cropping or losing important details. As you can see, I have a long image that I want to upload to Instagram. But even when I tap on the two arrows to adjust the size, the app still crops it, preventing me from posting the full photo. Let me show you a simple trick to fix this. First, exit the Instagram app and open any web browser. Head over to google.com and in the search bar, type square image, then hit enter. Look for this specific website. I'll include the link in the video description so you can easily find it. Once you're on the site, select an image from your photo gallery and wait a moment for it to upload. The site will automatically convert your photo into a square format, making it Instagram friendly without any cropping. Now, I have the full-length image just the way I want it for Instagram. Next, download the newly formatted image and save it to your photo gallery. Finally, open Instagram, select the image you just converted, and upload it. That's how you can post full-size, tall images on Instagram without any cropping. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.